Hey everybody. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. It is only going to take a couple minutes, but I am super confident that listening to the video and using the tracker and the attached website is really going to be great to help you understand what specific math skills you need help with or your child needs help with. The first thing, of course, you want to know is, what does my child need help with? If you go to their computer and you go on their bookmark bar, you will see something that looks similar to this. There will be a little green square and it will say Data Tracker. If you click where it says Data Tracker, it will take you to their data tracker. This will have all the information from what they have done this year in fourth grade. It will not all be filled out because we are doing it as we go along. First quarter skills, I have color coded blue. So all the first quarter skills should have scores beside them. We are starting with the purple skills for second quarter. And if you scroll down, you can see more purple skills. Those will be things taught in second quarter. Orange skills will be third quarter, and fourth quarter, we will teach the teal skills. So if you look by the things that were already taught in first quarter, you will see that we have also their scores color-coded. They're color-coded to whatever their grade was for that specific skill. So on our person here, they had a 40 for MBT 1. They had a 90 for MBT 2, an 80 for MBT 4. We haven't taught these skills yet, so we're not quite worried about them yet. But if you look at this, we are color-coded them to where if it says green, we know that they're in good shape. They have a good, solid understanding of that skill. If they're red, it is a big red flag for us, and we know we want to reteach that skill. If it's yellow, then we know they're on our watch list for that. They don't have it mastered, but they also had a pretty good idea. So after we finish doing our red skills, we'll obviously want to go to our yellow skills. So now you know which skill your child is having trouble with. Well, what does that mean to you? It's really hard whenever we're talking in all this code, but what we have done is we have set up a website for every one of the skills that we teach in fourth grade. So if you click beside this red skill where they had a 40, we click on the red skill, a site will pop up and we will just click there, and it will take you a place where it will tell you every single thing you need to know about that particular skill. This child did not do well at MBT1. Well, what is MBT1? The definition for MBT1 is right here, right underneath it. There also will be an anchor chart for every skill. There also will be a watch and learn. It will reteach everything your child needs to know about that skill. Each one of the skills has several videos. They're not very long, but they should be very helpful for you and them to know what was going on with that particular skill. This is super important. Every single skill also has the attached IXL goals. This is a great place for your child to practice and know whether or not they understand that skill. We also added in vocabulary for place value goals, and they will also have vocabulary for all the other goals. But these are just words that they need to know. There's Quizlet where they can practice and play games along with that. The next thing is super important. It's practice questions for the standard. This is a quiz made that just has questions on it. They're EOG type questions that will be based on what they might see for MBT1. So they can go back through this quiz and answer the questions so they can see if they have truly mastered that skill or not. You can also click here for it to read it aloud to you. So there is the option to click there and it will read the question for the students. So after you have finished this, you could also click here where it says pop out and it will make it larger so that you can see. At the very bottom, it says check your MBT1 assessment here. There are directions here. I am not going to read them, but basically you just put in your answers. If your answers were A, B, C, D, A, C, then you put your answer in and you hit next. If it says sorry, try again, then something was not right. So you need to go back through, see if you can find your mistake. If you can't find your mistake, see your teacher and they'll be happy to point you in the right direction. This is one document that is on your bookmark bar. Your data tracker is not only going to tell you what your weak skills are, but it's also going to give you ways to practice and reassess those skills. So good luck in improving your fourth grade math skills.